Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Wix cannot locate the internet server or proxy server. So if you're seeing an error that says Wix cannot locate the internet server or proxy server, this means a network or DNS issue is preventing your site from loading. Here's how to troubleshoot it. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection by clicking on internet and ensuring that you're connected to a proper Wi-Fi network that is connected and secure. Now, try loading other websites to verify that internet access is available. Simply open YouTube, and if YouTube opens up, that means there is another problem. If it doesn't open up, that means there could be a problem in your network. Now, on Windows, you can open command prompt. So press Windows plus R, it will open up run command where you'll have to enter CMD and hit enter. Here you'll have to basically type in ipconfig/flush DNS, hit enter, and then restart your browser, and that will instantly fix your problem. Now another way is switching to another browser. So you can try opening a Wix website on different browsers like Chrome, Firefox or Safari. This helps rule out browser specific issues. Now if you're using a proxy server or VPN, turn it off. Go to Proxy under settings and turn off any proxy that is active. Now another way is powering off your router and modem for 30 seconds, then turning them back on. Restart your computer or phone and your problem will be fixed. Now if your domain is not connected properly, Wix won't be able to serve the site. So you'll have to go to Wix dashboard, navigate to settings, navigate to domains. After you navigate to domains, ensure that your domain is connected and pointing to Wix. If none of these steps work, contact Wix support. Simply navigate to My Sites, scroll down at the bottom. Simply click on Help option at the top of your Wix website and provide a screenshot of the error and details of what you have tried. That's it. These steps should resolve the cannot locate the internet server or proxy server error on Wix. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.